Hey guys, Amy with mycouponingbuddy.com here. This Tide laundry detergent is on sale. On sale. I'm trying to talk around her. On sale for $11.99, regularly priced $15.29. There is a $3 off printable coupon, or there was a $3 coupon regionally in your January P&G. Buy one at $11.99. Use that $3 off coupon, either printable or in your January P&G. And then there is a $3 off coupon in your Purple Flyer. Right here on the front page. You can stack that with the manufacturer coupon and get $6 off, making these big bottles of Tide just $5.99. Okay, additionally, I grabbed the last one at my store, but I want to show you this deal. This Tide Studio is on. Not sure if it's a sale, if it's a clearance. My store doesn't have it, had it as a clearance. Now it doesn't have the clearance sign there anymore. And then the other store that I went to the other day had it as a sale. So it's still $7.99. You can use this Purple Flyer coupon on it and the $3 printable coupon, which I'll put the link to below, and pay just $1.99 a bottle. All right, so that's it. This is for the weekly sale ending 1/7 or 1/8. Not sure when this ends. I don't know if it's unadvertised or if it's regular price. Don't know what the deal is with the Tide Studio, but the regular big Tides that are 100 fluid ounce, that ends the 7th or the 8th. Happy couponing.